Now I've been out there looking for women all the time, but unfortunately I discover is those liberated kind. I take them to fancy places where they profile and they dine, and all I ever get is indigestion and a hard time. Well, honey, I'm a microwave man, best doggone cook in the land. Now if I have a woman who can't feed me or behave, I'll just turn to my good old microwave. I work very hard for my money that I get. I don't get drunk a whole lot or place a lot of bets. And I'm not very picky, and I don't need a lot of grief. All I want is a woman who can cook and has her teeth. Well, honey, I'm a microwave man, best doggone cook in the land. Now, if I have a woman who can't feed me or behave, I'll just turn to my good old microwave. Cowboys knew long ago that women hardly made love and they were always on the go. They just ride their old horses and live in a cave and pray that the good Lord would send them a microwave. Now, honey, I'm a microwave man, best